Introducing the Gocator 2430/4050 Blue Laser. Embedded dual-core controller delivers onboard data processing and low latency. A custom 2-megapixel camera for fast scan rates. Optimized optics for high sensitivity at short exposures. Built-in scan, measurement, and control at high speeds. Cleaner scan data on shiny metal surfaces. And a range of fields of view for maximum flexibility in your scan coverage. Use the Gocator 2430/4050 Blue Laser sensors for scanning and inspection of shiny surfaces in battery manufacturing. Use Gocator 2450 for rail inspection applications, delivering high-resolution 3D data and repeatable measurement results even in full sunlight, or when the track ballast is wet. Gocator 2430/4050 Blue Laser profilers are also suited to general factory automation applications.